What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing something that we've never done before. Sorry if I sound a little down on energy. My voice is a little weird because just got back from a week-long trip about the dunes. Those videos are up. Go check them out. Anyways, today we have my fiance's 5.0 GT. And what are we doing? We, thank you to American Modified, are installing a Mach 1 front grille. Now, cool thing about this is, yes, I opened it. Sorry. So wanted to make sure everything was all good. But what we are doing today is we are installing this. It comes with the whole wiring harness, which is actually pretty cool, with the signal wire. So these right here do light up, and we just got to figure out which is the signal wire for the turn signal, and wherever you turn, that light will turn on. Go from there. So thing is, I've never removed the front bumper on these. Haven't needed to on the Roush because that Roush is pretty much set up for what it is. This car, on the other hand, pretty much a bone stock car. I did do a GT500 wing on it. So from what I know is, damn, come on up. We had to remove this front radiator cover here. And then I believe, I want to wipe that off. We got to remove the inner splash shield. And there's a screw behind there, and this should come right out. And on the bottom of the tray underneath too. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go into depth with it on this video. We're taking everything off. And let's go from there and get this front grille mocked up. All right, so looking at this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these little clips to take off the radiator cover. All right, so once you have all that set aside, you're going to take off these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts up top here. So you take off the radiator cover. And it is the size 8 millimeter. So I have this thing on low so I don't... maybe I need to go a little higher. I don't like breaking stuff. I've broken too much stuff. There we go. Take all these off, and then I believe from here on out, we just need to take all the bottom screws off pretty much, so. All right, so what you're gonna want to do now is, once you get all the bottom, and I'm just doing half, all right? I'm not gonna do the full thing because I don't have a jack and this car's not gonna get jacked up right now. Now, what you're gonna want to do is, you're gonna want to pull this back as much as you can. Let me see if I can even get this in here. It's gonna be all over the place. There is going to be a screw right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So the one thing I did not see is the little screw behind that, which is actually a, what size is this? 7/32, man, that's tiny. So remove this. I removed the 2 bolts, so. All right, we should be good to remove it. I already did remove the 2 fender, the 2 ones that screw into there. So this should come right out now. Some of these are tiny little screws. Put those there. So they should be able to slide right out. Now, I'm going to be super careful because I know these are big famous for breaking right here. So let's go ahead and see what I can do. All right, so I kind of put my hand behind here and kind of tugged on it while I was pulling on it because these like to break. And I've seen a lot of my buddies break these, and the fender's always like out and flopping, and it's a pain in the butt, but oh, I'm so happy I was able to get that out pretty good. So now the bumper should. Oh yeah, it's gonna come right out. All right. It's off. Once you guys pull that off and everything, you guys will see these. Go ahead and disconnect your wires from there, but it's there. So now what I gotta figure out is where, oh, right there, look at that. Clip there. Let's go on the other side of this bumper here. I gotta be on this side anyways. Let's see here. Oh yeah, look at that. Bunch of these clips up top. Should pop this right out, and we should be able to get to removing this. Oh yeah, see? Pretty simple, pretty easy. Let's go ahead, get this off and go from there. pretty damn good. Look at that. So now honestly, what we're gonna do first before we put the front bumper on is I'm gonna hook these up right here. I need to figure out where the wiring is for the turn signal. I'm gonna have to look that up. But I mean, this is pretty self-explanatory. I have some good connectors. Power and ground, and we just gotta figure out where these go when we turn on the signal. So, other than that looks good. I love the way that looks. Look at that, damn. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, it's all on. Now, for this side, for the turn signal to work, it's going to be a blue wire with a yellow stripe. It's going to be connecting to your front signal here. And on this side, it's going to be a yellow wire with a brown stripe to connect to this one. Now, to get the power and ground, they're pretty much to connect to the tri-bar on these is it is a gray with purple wire. And that's what will turn them on pretty much when you turn on the key. So look at this. Really quick. Let's see here. Power on. They should be on. Yes, see? They are on with the tri-bars and everything. So, yeah, so I think, let's try the signals real quick. Left. Works perfect. Now let's go to the right. Right side is working perfect also. So what we're gonna do now is, let's try with the, turn that off. Hazards. That should be working. Yep, hazards work too, look at that, damn. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna button all this all up. We're gonna clip it all back on, screw everything back in, and then we'll get a full final thing of what it looks like when everything's back together. All right, guys, there she is, all done and ready to go. Looks actually pretty freaking sick, if you ask me. Let's see. Oh yeah, I like it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for that sun to go down here, and we're actually gonna go get some cool montage videos and everything, and go from there. But I like the way that looks. I like the way it looks a lot. Here, turn signal on that one. Oh yeah, we good. We golden. I like that a lot. So, yeah, let's just wait for the sun to go down, get some cool videos with it, and then we'll be right back. Shout out to American Modified for sending this out. But this thing looks amazing. I like it. Look at that. It's actually very bright too for what it is. I'm gonna put a link in the description for the front grille on this one. But remember guys, if you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so anytime we upload you guys will know. And remember guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you on the next one.